Here we have a Honda FRV. It's a 2007 model with roughly 66,000 miles on the clock and fitted with the 1.8 petrol engine. So as part of the service on this vehicle today, we're going to be watching a spider and changing the air filter, which should be relatively straightforward. It's in this box here. I'll start by unclipping the airflow sensor. Just get this wiring loom out of the way. Don't really want to break that. It looks like we've just got 4 clips around here that should just flip off of there like that. Let's see what happens. Ah, well, that's easy enough. No clips, it just slides straight into that rubber tube. Yeah, not too dirty, it's got a few bits and pieces in it. Yeah, there are a few bits down in there actually. So while that's off, good idea to clean this out before you refit it, although it looks fairly clean anyway. Just make sure there's no debris in there. You can use a hoover, or I've got an airline which I'll just give that a little blowout with. So you can see there the new one with the old, slight difference in colour. It's not absolutely filthy, but it's included in the service, so I'll be changing that anyway. I'll just give that airbox a little blowout. So that looks like it can only go in around one way. Hopefully it will go back together as easy as it came apart. And that's it. A nice easy one to change. So as you can see, that was quite a easy, straightforward job if it's something you've been thinking about tackling yourself. Just make sure when you go to the motor factors or parts department, whoever you use, you've got your registration number with you, and they'll be able to recommend a compatible part. The part I used isn't a genuine Honda filter, so you should be able to pick one of those up under £15. I'd imagine that the genuine Honda one would probably be closer to 30. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully the video's been of some help for you. And if it has, please consider hitting like and subscribe. It'll help our channel out no end. Cheers.